spending money like I just got paid. $100 bills, tell them keep the change. Come on. Make it rain. Let me give you something now to celebrate. Come on.
We're on to Mackay now. We're going to go stay with one of our friends, Paula. We're going to try and back this baby up in her backyard. We'll see how we go, and we'll show you around Mackay. We're staying with our friend Paula in Mackay. She said to park the van at the front of her house. So we did.
We have a caravan. Hello.
My thrift store shakes, rose-colored lenses and a fake gold frame. Come on. Playing old rock songs on an air guitar, posing for your picture like a superstar. Yeah, come on.
We are in Mackay and we have come to stay with our friend Paula, who is there, not looking, she's there. So Paula used to work with Owen in the mines, so that's how I got introduced to her. She's epic. And we have come to Eungella State Forest and we have just walked to the tree arch, and then we're going to go to
up and see the platypus and turtles, hopefully.
So apparently there is a platypus that swims in the waterhole up here, so hopefully we can go and see it. But then we're going to go to
Sky window.
Sky Window, and then
Come back past that pub. What's that pub called?
That there is the chalet.
and then we're going to go
Chalet.
to Finch Hatton Gorge.
Yes.
Finch Hatton Gorge and the pub at the Pinnacle.
Pinnacle pub for a
beer.
pinnacle pie,
Oh,
beer, and maybe a big schnitzel. Who knows?
Oh, how big are the schnitzels, Paula?
This big.
How big?
This big.
Show us your schnitzel. Hang on.
See you guys.
Alright, let's go. The tree arch.
Pretty cool.
Thanks to Miss Mackay herself. Here it is.
I just feel so.
So it's pretty safe to say I'm never going to get into hang gliding, that's for sure. I don't even like bungee jumping. But if you were into hang gliding, this is the place to come, because someone has built this ridiculous ramp behind me. And you run along this ramp and then you launch off down a mountain. Why you would do this, I do not know. So we are at Cape Hillsborough this morning, just off the coast of Mackay. Been down here for sunrise, seen some kangaroos which they feed every morning, right on sunup. There's usually about 12 to 13 roos, the ranger said, which is awesome. And yeah, absolutely magic. So there's a caravan park here, you can stay at, but you don't have to, it's just a national park.
Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, I just feel so good.
Just watched the kangaroos on the beach at Cape Hillsborough, and then Paula wanted to take us on a hike, this one. We haven't even had coffee or breakfast and we just hiked up a bloody mountain. I can't even breathe. Whew.
I promise it's worth it. I promise.
For your picture like a superstar, yeah, come on. And if you're wondering why I move the way I do,
That's five turtles down there.
Look, is that an eagle or a hawk?
Yeah.
What is it, Ollie?
Mate, I'm struggling to buy the turtles.
I just feel so good, good, good. I just feel so good. If you feel it, just dance along. Keep the feeling going on.
We are now at Finch. I don't know why I can't say that.
Fit Hatton.
We are Finch Hatton.
We are at Finch Hatton Gorge, another little rainforest walk. There is a waterfall here and a little swimming pool apparently at the bottom, which is freezing, but we may have to just give it a go.
We'll be right. We're just outside of Mackay, at the base of Eungella National Park. I don't think this is in the national park, is it, Paula? Yeah, don't know. This Mackay's not sure,
We're
but
not in Eungella National Park.
we're not in there, but we're near it. So you could probably do the both in one day, and yeah, it'd be a good day out from Mackay.
I just feel so good, good. I just feel so
And we've all made it. Woo!
Alright, chicken. It's time. Woo! Woo! What's wrong?
Ready?
Alright. Let's go waterfall chasing. Wow! How is it?
Freezing! Oh my goodness, but look at that! That is so amazing. That is so worth actually freezing my ass off getting in the water to see that. It's so cool. Good. Now this is the waterfall that's at the top. It's probably about, what, 2 k's up. This is Wildfire Circle, I think it's called. In summer it's totally packed, but right now we were the only people here for about 15 minutes. And there is another one which is another K south. And we're gonna go check that one out as well.
I just feel so good. If you feel it, just dance along. Keep the feeling going on and on. If you feel it,
Awesome 2-night stay at NRMA something in your food. We'll fix it up later, whatever that is. But we went out to Heron Island. No, we didn't. We went out to Great Keppel Island.
That's gone well.
Might start this again.
Oh, and up to the dairy.
Platypus.
We're
Platypus. Platypus.
Platypus.
Platypus.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.
why I move the way I do. I just feel so good, good.